Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Thank you so much for stopping by. So guys, in today's video I'm going to be showing you how to achieve a sweet lovely ponytail on a natural hair. So guys, if you have a natural hair and you want to slay it on a ponytail, use this method. This method is going to help your hair stay so flat and smooth. Please say hello to my little beautiful client at the comment section. I went ahead and put her hair into a pond. I applied the first gel. After applying the first gel, I went ahead and used my hand to smoothen it, and I took my blow dryer and blow it a little bit. After doing that, I went again and applied gel for the second time. So guys, please watch to the end and see how I achieve this beautiful look, okay?